Welcome, my magical friends. Welcome back to the Magic with Soul Bride channel. I finally have a new video for you, but it's going to be very short. I'm going to show you my process of harvesting, cutting, and jarring lemongrass. The lemongrass I grow myself. Here we are. This is the end of the year's harvest, and I'm going to lay these out on my drying screens. My drying screens are just big frames from silk screening that I lined with a thicker type of straining. So you're going to see me lay these out one by one, because the last thing that you want to do is to bundle them up and get mold in the inside. It won't dry on the inside, so you've got to make sure it's got plenty of air. And this is what it will look like once I've got it all laid out. This is what it looks like once it's dried. Now I'm going to start cutting it up, because when you go to put it in a jar, you've obviously got to have it a good size. And I like to cut mine up really well, because I do grow this lemongrass, and I dry it on these, you can see here, you see how many holes are in there? That allows the herbs to dry from the top and the bottom, and it saves a lot of time. Yes, lemongrass I use in my Witchcraft for Beginners kits. And it's good to cook with. It's good for many different things. I could do a whole nother video about that, but here I am just going to keep cutting it up, and then when I've gotten my pieces small enough, I jar them up in this little jar here, and getting those smaller pieces in there. And boom, lemongrass. That's how it's done. Don't forget, you guys, this is the lemongrass where it is in my kits. And I sell my kits on facebook.com/magicwithsoulbridekits. So check it out. You might like what you find there. I have other stuff that goes along with my kits. So I will bid you adieu. And please, thank you so much for watching. But please like, share, and subscribe, because that helps me out so very much. Thank you all for coming, and blessed be.